everyone. Hope all of you doing well. Today we'll talk about the amazing thing Definity Legend. Definity Legend, the latest addition in the play to earn game market, is already delivering an epic experience. The turn-based RPG game has been launched by Bito and Definity Studios. Bito and Definity Studios' Definity Legend: Rise of Aether is becoming a popular turn-based RPG game that offers custom DLD characters and can be played in three different contents: PvE, player versus environment; Guild Nation, PvP, player versus player; and virtual real estate. The play to earn NFT games have radically changed the gaming landscape around the world. They have completely replaced some of the old formats and are gaining popularity in all circles. Gamers today prefer such games as they are free to play but offer a great opportunity to earn money. So, the better you are at a game, the higher the chances of making money, said Nick Chin, co founder and blockchain director at Definity Legend. The team behind Definity Legend has over 40 years of experience in total, and the 20 individuals possess a deep understanding of both the gaming and blockchain sectors. The unique mix of expertise and knowledge has helped make Definity Legend a visually appealing, one of a kind of play to earn game. After 6 months of planning, Definity Studios was able to raise 1,50,000 in only weeks through a private sale, with over 2 lakh in extra reserve money granted by Bito. DLD has had over 10,000 registered users since the first week of the website's soft launch, demonstrating the team's dedication to the project. Definity Legend makes it equally appealing for crypto advertisers looking for in-game advertising options. He further added, the new era of blockchain gaming gives participants complete ownership over the digital assets they earn or obtain due to their participation in the games. The NFT marketplace on Definity Legends allow NFT artists to create, sell and purchase NFTs digital content. Definity Studio has embedded chosen character designs into the Definity Legends realm in-game, promoting, supporting, and encouraging NFT and art production. Definity Legend is a blockchain-based role-playing game that combines the elements of DeFi, NFT, and play to earn in one. Players get better equipment, heroes, guardians. DLD has limited edition NFTs. If you earn anything on DLD Metaverse, it is yours. Gamers can then sell the NFT to other collectors and players and nick. NFTs have been sold for hundreds of millions of dollars and retained purely as a kind of art. However, Definity Legend intends to add value to NFT artworks through in-game character art. Definity Legend is the first to combine potential NFT art listed within the DLD marketplace to come to life within the DLD world. That's all about today, and please welcome to visit Definity Legend.